Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, everyone. Today, our group presentation, the topic is the personalized learning, English learning with AI. My name is Farid Hilmi, and there is Meren Kantika, Yasfi Shawali, and Ulfa Zafira. So, in this digital age, technology, especially AI, has changed how we learn. And today we'll talk about how AI can create a language learning experience that's not only engaging, but also a perfect fit for each person's unique needs. We'll cover everything from the basic idea of personalization to how it's used in different language skills, which are reading, writing, listening, and also speaking. We also look at the benefit and challenge that come with it for both teacher and student. Before we start this presentation, let's pray together by reciting basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, for the first topic is the concept of personalization in AI, and it will be delivered by Merlin. For Merlin, time is yours.
Okay, thank you to the moderator for the opportunity. Now I will explain about the concept of personalization in AI, especially adaptive learning. So, do you guys know what personalization and adaptive learning means?
No.
Okay, personalization means adjusting learning process to the needs, abilities, and preferences of each learner. Adaptive learning, as explained by Cambridge paper in ELT 2017, uses AI and algorithms to adjust the pace, content, and feedback in real time. Next slide, please. Okay, for example, one application that uses AI is Duolingo. This app gives different exercise to each learner depending on their progress and mistakes. Another example is ChatGPT, which can provide personalized explanation and practice tasks. This tool supports learners in reading, writing, and speaking by giving instant feedback, offering varied exercise, and adjusting the difficulty level. And next, I will explain benefits of AI-driven personalization. According to Ajami 2024, AI increased student motivation and engagement because the material matches their pace. It also improved outcomes such as vocabulary, comprehension, and pronunciation. Moreover, Arani 2024 notes that AI can scale personalization for many students at once, while highlight that AI gives real-time feedback to correct mistakes immediately. And the next is challenges and ethical consideration. Limitation or challenges is that AI collects student data, which raises privacy concerns. Another challenge is infrastructure, since not all schools have strong internet or device. Teachers also training to use AI effectively, and as and then explain inequal access to technology can create inequality in learning. And in Indonesia shows that uh, matching learners has been used to adapt the curriculum for middle school student. The result the result was higher engagement and better performance. And higher education in Indonesia, we found that platforms such as Model and Learn Smart improve student retention and academic results. So to conclude, personalization in AI through adaptive learning make education more effective, flexible, and student-centered. We, but we must still pay attention to privacy, teacher readiness, and equity. If these challenges are solved, AI can help create a fair education system for all learners. That's all from me. I'll give it back to moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Merlin. So basically, AI can adapt to our individual learning pace and style, right? That's interesting. Now let's look at the implementation. how does AI specifically help with reading and writing activities? And it will be delivered by Yasvi. For Yasvi, time is yours.
All right, thank you so much, moderator, for giving me time to speak here. Now I'm going to deliver the material about how I personalize reading and writing activities. Before we go into the details, let's look at the main idea first. AI can adapt to each learner by looking at their behavior, preferences, and skill level. This means every student can get content that matches their ability and needs. Now let's start with how AI works in reading activities. AI-powered platform recommend books or articles based on students' reading level and interest. For example, Newsela and Common Read give the same text at different level, and also Readferry adjusts the text difficulty based on student performance. Pick suggests children books by age and interest. And the last one, tools like ChatGPT can even create custom passage for practice. After reading, let's move on to the second part, which is writing activities. In writing, AI tools can give feedback and help students improve their skill. First, their Kill.org helps with grammar and sentence practice. Grammarly improves grammar, tone, and vocabulary. And also, NoReadInk focuses on individual writing weaknesses. Script AI is useful for academic writing. And again, ChatGPT can generate writing prompts and act like a peer reviewer. Besides reading and writing separately, there are also platforms that combine both. First is Google Read and Write, offer text-to-speech, vocabulary help, and writing support. And also, Kami allows annotation and feedback. Last one, Duolingo and LingQ balance reading comprehension and writing practice for language learners. Finally, let's wrap up the discussion. In conclusion, AI helps personalize reading and writing by giving the right materials, exercises, and feedback for each learner. This makes learning more engaging, inclusive, and effective. With AI, students can improve at their own pace, while teachers get better insight to support them. Thank you. I give it back to moderator.
Okay, thank you for Yasvi. Now, for the biggest challenge, how can AI make listening and speaking more personal? And the presenter is Ulfa Zafira. For Ulfa Zafira, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the moderator for giving me this opportunity. Now, I will explain about how AI personalizes listening and speaking activities. Please, next slide. Okay, for the first, it's about speaking practice with AI. According to Rosmayanti in her journal, Revolutioning Academic Writing and Language Learning with AI, tools like Elsa Speak, Duolingo Max, and ChatGPT can check pronunciation, fluency, and intonation in real time. They give personal feedback and suggest exercise for our weaknesses. For example, we can practice conversation with ChatGPT or pronunciation with Elsa Speak, which helps reduce anxiety and build confidence. And the next is about listening practice with AI. AI system track learner responses and adjust audio difficulty dynamically, ensuring that students are neither bored nor overwhelmed. So, AI apps can give listening tasks that match our level. They track our answer and adjust the difficulty so we are not bored or stressed. Apps like Duolingo and Elsa Speak that I mentioned before give instant feedback, making listening more active and interactive. For example, AI helps by matching activities to our level, giving real-time feedback, letting us practice real-life conversation, and creating a safe space to practice. Okay, next slide, please. And now, in the concern. So, across the two documents, AI's personalities of listening and speaking can be summarized as, okay, for the one, adaptive learning. This means adjusting task difficulty to each learner's skills level. And the next about real-time feedback. Like AI can correcting error in pronunciation, intonation, or comprehension immediately. And the next is context-based practice. So, enabling learners to practice real-life, personally relevant conversation scenarios. And the last, there's safe practice environment. It can reducing anxiety by letting students practice without fear or judgment. So, AI plays a crucial role in personalizing listening and speaking activities by offering adaptive pathways, instant feedback, and context-rich interaction tailored to individual learners. Tools like Duolingo, Elsa Speak, and ChatGPT demonstrate how AI can create efficient, engaging, and learner-centered environment that accelerate oral language in skill development. So, this is all from me. I will return to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Zafira for your explanation. Now, for the last material is benefit and challenge for teacher and learner. According to Han 2019 and Huang et al. 2023, AI provides a personalized and adaptive learning experience. AI is powerful tool in English language teaching, bringing significant benefit to both learner and teacher. For student, it provides a personalized learning experience with real-time feedback on skill like pronunciation, grammar, and writing. It also improves accessibility by offering 24/7 access to learning materials, and it enhances practice through tools like Grammarly and ChatGPT. Teacher also benefit as AI can automate tasks like grading, freeing up their time for student is engaging and lesson planning. However, AI presents several challenges. There is a risk of reducing the essential role of human teachers and concerns exists about algorithmic bias and student privacy. It's also important to ensure the quality and reliability of this tool. In conclusion, the goal is to use AI as a supplement to traditional teaching methods. By combining the technology's benefit with the expertise of human teacher to create a more effective and engaging learning experience. I think that's all from our material. And now let's move to the Q&A section. So guys, if you have a question, you can comment in our commentar section. And for the last, all right, I think that's our group presentation. To wrap things up, we can say that AI is a powerful tool for making English learning more personal and adaptive. But as we have discussed, the main goal is to use AI as a supplement for teacher, not a replacement. By combining a technology with the skill of human teachers, we can create a much more effective and engaging learning experience. I'd like to say thank you to Merlin, Yasvi, and Vira for all the great insight they'll share. And most importantly, a big thank you to all the teacher and friends who came to listen. We hope this presentation was helpful for everyone, and thank you.